to show you how to take this just plain old toilet paper tube and turn it into a nice little planter for starting your seeds in. So let's get started and I'll show you how. Made out of a toilet paper roll, so easy and simple. All you need to do is you just cut about 3 spaces around, and then all you do is push in the pieces and then turn it over and push them down. So you just push it down and there's your container with the bottom. No problem, all pushed in and it can sit up. Okay, once you have your toilet paper tubes all ready, then all there is left is to fill them and plant in them. So to fill them, I just dip them right into the soil and kind of shake it in there to pat it down. You can use a shovel too, but I find this is easier and a little less messy. And then just make a little indent, plant your seeds and get them moist. I find that keeping them in a tray or in a plastic container helps to hold them together, and just pack them in, plant them, and you're done.